Hi there. We're here to talk about Minolta cameras. This is my very first SLR, the Minolta XG1 with the 50mm 1.7. This camera I bought new in the late 70s, actually saved up by having a paper route, believe it or not. My dad at the time had an XG7. I bought an XG1. Dad put together a black and white dark room in the basement, and we took a lot of Kodachrome slides and black and white and color prints for many years with this camera. It sat stored in my home for quite some time, and then when I got back into film in 2015, I got it out, cleaned off some dust, put in some fresh batteries, and loaded a roll of film, and it worked great. So ever since then, I've bought and sold a handful of cameras to find out what I would like to shoot with, and this one stays in a tub. I want to keep this one nice because of the sentimental value. So fast forward to a package that came in from eBay just this afternoon. I bought another camera. The price was cheap. It sold as is. It might have to be cleaned up a little bit, but I'm actually hoping that it works, and we'll find out. So this isn't your typical unboxing. This one hasn't been opened yet, as you'll see. Some people cheat. It's a good thing that some people cheat because they waste a lot of time. But I'm sure that some of you can relate. You buy a camera you're taking a chance on. So I figured I would share it all with you. Got some of the usual newspaper packaging in here. We got some brochures and owner's manuals. We have a camera in here, very well packed. Looks like it. I'm sure you know there's a reason that I showed you the Minolta XG1 at the beginning of this. Kind of have an idea what might be in here, but which model? You can tell it's black. An X-570. I like the brassing on the corner so far. Does look like it might have been a smoker camera. Maybe just dirty. This thing's very light. Give it the sniff test. Shout out to Frono's photo there. I do not smell tobacco, which is a very good thing. So it does seem to be all there. Got the eyepiece that mine tend to get lost anyway. Alright, let's get right to it. Put in some batteries. Usually I like to use a nickel. I think they tend to fit better. What do you guys use, quarters or nickels? Alright, that's empty. You can't see it that well, but it actually looks very clean in there. Still got the plastic on the bottom. You don't see that too much, but I do like the brassing. I have a lot of that on my FE2. It does need to be cleaned up a little bit though. Alright. Energizer Alkaline E76 LR44s. Let's put these things in there. Upside down. See what we got. I think I have my XG1 there watching things. Should not see a light, I don't think, yet. Oh, we're firing here. Alright, I have my dad's original lens I've been hanging on to. My dad has an X700 at home in the box. I shot a roll through that last summer. What I have here is the 45mm 1.2. So let's put this thing on here and see what this does. All right, that looks pretty good there. I like that. All right. Let's try it on a few different shutter speeds here. Let's go to 1,000. 500. 60th. 15th. Do they all sound the same to you? They all do sound the same to me as well. The bulb. Well, that's not good. So we obviously might have an issue here. Maybe turn this to adjust the ISO. Set at 200. Everything's working good there. Let's see what's inside here. It's a bulb still. I can't really share this with you. Well, I can. Doing some beeping. Oh, I see with this, unlike the X700, you can't see what the f-stop is. But it's metering. Let's stop it. I got F16 here. Seems awful quick for 2 seconds. Yeah, we obviously got something going on there. I don't think we're going to put a roll of film in this one just yet. So how does this thing open up? Is this one of the hard ones to open? Yeah, I don't know where the button is. Some of these have a button on them. Looks like there's no lock on this one. I don't know where the lock is. So I have to check that out to get that open. But all right, as you can see, it does appear to meter. But I don't know if it's doing that correctly. This is the self-timer, right? Put it on self-timer mode here. Off. Making sounds. Yeah, the bulb should certainly be making a bulb sound. Should not release until I lift that button up. And every shutter speed sounds the same. So the camera's not in bad shape. Looks like it does need some work. So let me get the back of this open and I don't know, let me see if I can get this up to the shop to see what's wrong with it. Sorry it isn't operating as expected for you guys, but I'll keep you updated on what I'm able to find out with the X570. Thanks for watching.